This is Tuesdays Back, questions and answers from business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs.
Hey, Tuesday.
Hi.
Welcome back. Our second question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Our second question comes from a woman who wants to know about the EIN number for her business, whether she needs it or not. Here's the question. I have a side hustle. Do I need an EIN number? So employer identification number, or better known as a business tax ID for someone who doesn't know.
Right. Okay. So while you may be able to get away with not having one, if you're merely running a side hustle or you're part of, the gig economy, or something like that, doing small jobs here and there, that's a trick question, because even though you could potentially get away with it not having one, the IRS actually wants everyone, side hustle, freelancer, consultant, whatever you call yourself, wants everyone to really have a separate bank account for whatever that business activity is. Because remember, even if it's a side hustle, it still falls under small business code. So because they want you to have a separate bank account, banks generally require tax ID numbers. So you need to have one. The long answer is yes, even with a side hustle, because it is considered a business, self-employment, and you should have a separate bank account, you will need a tax ID number. And then you might decide to grow. So if you decide to grow and hire people, you're going to need a tax ID number, because EIN stands for employer identification number. So, even if it's just you, it is definitely beneficial to have, because you're going to need it for other things as well. They're going to ask you, what is your tax ID number?
Yeah. I love that you mentioned the gig economy as well, because, we've got people out there that are starting podcasts, but, eventually they're going to want to get ad revenue or partners or sponsors, right? Even your Instagram influencers who want to get sponsorship for the work that they're doing, the content they're creating, or, Sally's baked goods or Sharika's candles or handmade rugs, whatever you're selling out there, whatever you're putting together. It's best to get that ID number, especially if you have money flowing into your side hustle, which is also known as a business, right?
It's business income and it's taxable. So yes, it needs to flow through a separate business bank account.
Short answer, yes. Long answer, rewind and play whatever we just said again.
Exactly.
All right. Well, I'll let you know as you get back to work.
Okay.
Get outside. I'll see you soon.
All right. Bye.
If you have a question, put it in the comments below.